Hello children, welcome back to the online classes. Today we are going to study the EVS subject for class 3rd. Before I start, let's see this picture. Here, 3 people are trying to express their thoughts, their views, their emotions. But as we can see, they are unable to do it because we require a medium to express ourselves, which is the language. Language helps us to communicate and express our views and thoughts to each other. It helps us to exchange the information which we have. It may be through gestures or facial expressions or some signals. Here, the early man is sending the fire signal. As you can see in the picture, he is stuck somewhere and he is sending the fire signal through which the other early men will be able to know that someone is in danger and they will follow the smoke produced by the fire and come there to help him out. Also, we use different mudras to express ourselves. To make it easier, we have 26 hand symbols of sign languages. People, those who cannot speak, express themselves through these hand symbols. Children, here the alphabets are given different signs, different symbols. Can you try your name expressing in these hand symbols? Let's see one example. Lily. So this is how, by using the hand symbols, we can write Lily. So one by one you need to show the alphabets like this, and this is how you can express yourself. Even without using a language, we can express ourselves with facial expressions. We can express whatever we are feeling through our face and the gesture what we make. Like if we are content and satisfied, we'll have this type of face. And if we are happy, we'll make this type of face, a happy face. If we are sad, then we'll make a sad face. If we are surprised, we'll make a surprised face. If we are scared of something, we'll have a scared expression on our face. If we are confused, we'll have a confused expression. If we are relaxed, we have that expression. If we are annoyed by someone, we'll have that expression. And if we are bored, it is easily visible on our face. If we are tired, anyone can tell that we are tired through our facial expression. If we are angry, then also others can make out that we are angry. If it is disgusted, then also we can express it with our facial expression. Even if we don't say anything, by our facial expressions, especially our mother and even teacher and few more members in the family, they easily understand what is going with ourselves and they can make out what we feel even without using a language. Just by showing some signals and signs without actually speaking, we even play a game, and the name of that game is Dumb Charades. We try to express, or we try to make the movie name or the song name clear to our team with our actions. So these are the communication, the type of communication which we do without speaking. Now we'll be discussing how we can communicate in other ways also. So this is the postal communication, where we mail the letter. We mail the letters, postcards, parcels in the letter box You see here this red one, and or we can even send the letter to the post office. This red box is even found outside the post office. We write a letter and put it in the letter box. Now then the postman, this is the postman. The postman collects the letters. The postman collects the letters from the letter box, and then he takes those letters to the post office, where they are sorted according to the states and cities. This is a type of or an example of a post office where all the letters are being taken. And as you can see, a letter box is even placed outside the post office. Then the letters are put in different bags and sent to other states by buses, trains or aeroplanes. After reaching the cities, the letters are again sorted in the post office according to the localities. They are sent to the post office by a particular area by the mailing van, which you can see on the screen. Then the postman delivers the letters at the address written on them. Now children, this is the world's highest post office. India has the largest postal network in the world with many post offices. If we talk about the number, it is 1,55,015 post offices in total. The highest post office of the world is at Sikkim in Himachal Pradesh. Now let's move to the other means of communication. We will be talking about the telecommunication. Here, in which it includes the mobile phone or phone, emails, fax machine and the phone booth where the phone is kept and we can reach out different people. Telephone or cellular phones are used to send messages instantly. We can even carry the mobile phones with us and stay in touch with our family members in any part of the world. Without mobile phone these days we cannot even imagine our life, right? These days, mobile phone can be used as radio and TV. It can also be used as a computer. It is used to send messages, to call people and to record the audio and video. It is even used to browse internet. It even has a calculator, and we can also set our alarms on the mobile phone only. The emails are to be sent by using the internet and our system, that means this laptop or the desktop. Children, in the fax machine, what we do is we can send the official messages which can be received as a printout, as you can see here. And the last is the phone booth, where the phone is placed, public phone is placed, through which you can pay and call anyone. Although everything is available in a single mobile phone, but yes, we should not forget that we should not be addicted to the screens, be it a mobile phone or a laptop or a tablet or TV. We should limit the use of screen time because it will affect our eyes. We should try to play more and more outdoor games. Now, for sending letters, we require a PIN code, and that PIN code is of 6 digits. Here, an example is given 700031. This is a 6-digit PIN number. Now, what is the full form of PIN? Postal Index Number. And the PIN code of our school is 211001. The phone booth is even called PCO, which means Public Call Office, from where we can make STD, subscriber trunk dialing, which allow us to make calls for calling people within the country. And for making international calls, we use ISD, that is International Subscriber Dialing. Here in this mass communication, which includes newspaper, radio, television, internet. Mass means in a single time, at a single time, we can connect to maximum number of people. Like in phone, only two people can talk to each other. In mail, even the two people can have a conversation, can send mail to each other and interact with each other. But here, by using the mass communication, we can interact with plenty of people or throughout the world at the same time. Talking about newspaper, it brings us all the information about the world at our doorstep every morning. In the same sequence, the next is radio. It is only the audio means of communication. Audio means only listening. It is helpful for the people who cannot read the newspaper or who cannot write anything. We can listen to the news, debates, songs, even the cricket commentary and other programs on different channels. The next comes the television. It is audio and visual both. That means we can all even listen and see. In radio, the programs are broadcasted. Since it is only audio, it is broadcasted, and in television it is telecasted. We can listen as well as see the visuals. There are hundreds of channels to choose from on television. Now the next is internet. It is a network of computers all over the world. We can get information about anything we want from anywhere in the world on the internet. And all these means of communication have brought people of the world closer to each other. We can learn so much about the culture and traditions of other countries. They have indeed made the world a smaller place to live in. So with this, I would like to conclude, children. I hope the lesson was very much clear to you. Thank you and have a good day.